I literally paid $3,500 for this STi. You can see here, $3,570, okay? I paid that much for this car. And stick around to see how and why. But first, let's get a cold start going. Ooh, love it. Yeah, buddy. This car. I miss this car so much. Alright, what's going on, guys? So big day. My car has been locked up in impound for about 8 months now, almost to the day. I'm finally getting it out. Long story, that information I can't disclose, but I have to pay like $3,700 for this car because it's been in the tow yard for so long. So it just goes to show how much I love this car, and I'm not willing to let it go. So I'll try and record as much as I can, and then we'll record some, like a walkthrough of the car right after I get it home, and we'll go from there. We got the keys, baby. Let's go. I haven't seen these in like 8 months. Hell yeah. All right, y'all. Ooh, first time seeing it in like 8 months. Oh, I missed it. Yeah, I just paid $3,570 for this. Here we go. Whew. Did it. After 8 long months, we got it back. There she is. Hell yeah. Whew. Nice. She's a little thirsty. Let's go. Y'all don't, oh, y'all just don't know how stoked I am. I've missed this car so much. So we're gonna get it home, do a walk around on it, and we'll go from there. Oh, I forgot about that. I've literally forgotten everything about this car. All right, y'all, got the car home. She's dead. Need to take the battery to O'Reilly's, get it charged. So at this point, we'll get the car in the garage tomorrow. Battery's completely dead, like I said. We're gonna go do a walkthrough on it, maybe start fixing some stuff up. And if you didn't believe me that I literally paid $3,500 right there $3,570. Yeah, that was just for impound. That's not what I paid for the car. That was to get it out of impound. $55 a day for 60 days plus tow fees. That's what it equals up to. It's a bit ridiculous if you ask me, but that just goes to show how much I love this car. After everything that I've been through recently, this is the only thing I have left other than family. This is the only material thing I have left, and I wanted to keep it to be able to grow this channel and work on it, fix it up, bring it damn near back to stock, and just have a good time with it. I'll get stuff that I had, I'll get that later on in life. Again, it's not that big of a deal. You have to, you know, you experience setbacks, you have to be able to bounce back. Or as I like to say, you persist and prevail. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will be more videos on this 05 STi to come in the near future. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and drop a like if you like this video, comment, do whatever you need to do. If you guys would like to see more content on this STi, stick around. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.